Hi guys, in this video, we are going to look at the community feature in our SmartIQ. In a business, having customers is important, but what's even more important is having a loyal community. Only then will the business grow automatically. If you have training, WhatsApp groups, events, then sending Google Forms or certificates to everyone manually becomes a hassle. You can't track student engagement. And if you use separate tools for all these things, it becomes a waste of time, causes confusion, and wastes money too. There's a single smart solution that solves all these problems. That solution is the Smart IQ community. Where their audience is students or members, it's a complete system to convert them into customers. Courses, live classes, events, engagement, certificates, everything is included. We can manage everything well on a single professional community platform. So let's see what other inbuilt features are available in this. These are the features of the SmartU community. Here we can create courses, enroll in courses, and even provide certificates from here. Then when it comes to events, whether we want to add a new event or view them in the calendar, we can manage all that. We can set points and rules and check the leaderboard to see who is in first place and who is following and so on. We can use this to see how the course we created appears on the website. In the settings, we can set up our profile, adjust module settings, give permissions, and revoke permissions as needed. All these kinds of things can be managed in the settings. So for all this, what we are going to do is just enter our data. There's no need for any coding or anything like that. If you're running a training center, for example, and have something like this in place, to provide your course to students, usually you'd have to hire a developer to build a course website, and the customer would have to check everything there. But in Smart, all these features are built in. Without any coding, anyone can create something like this. Now, let's see how to do this practically. So, this is the dashboard of our Smart IQ. Here, there's an option called Community, right? It's above Settings, just before the last feature. So, let's click on that. After clicking, you'll see all the courses I've already created displayed here. This is the course. If I click on Create Course, a new tab will open for me. That's how it works actually. So here, first we get the course information, just the course. I'll just name it Course 1 and give it. After that, the course description comes up. The first course. Just for testing and creating it roughly, the status of this course comes up and we can publish it or keep it as a draft. So now if we want to upload an image for this course, we can go to upload image. Now the image I'm going to give is this one. So I'll select and upload it. And clicking open, select and uploading it. For your course, whichever image you've chosen, make sure to give it properly. So I'm clicking publish and saving it. Now we've given all the course information, okay? Now does the course have content? That is, there'll be 11 chapters, so chapters. I'm clicking on one and saving it. Once I do that, a session will be added for us. So in this chapter 1, we need to add a lecture, right? The name of the first lecture I'm giving as lesson 1. So here we can upload a video. You can upload a YouTube video or upload from Vimeo, Loom or something like that. In assessment for our test, you can give the assessment name, number of questions, how many marks, duration, then options will come. And after clicking publish, you can add any questions. Like this, you can keep adding questions. You can also upload any text if you want. So you can upload images, PDF files, any kind of files, even PPTs. If it's like that, that's for audio folders. If it's any video type, this is a tool for recording. If you want to give a link to import, you can give a link as well. So if you want to allow resources to be downloaded, you can turn it on here. So normally now I'm uploading a video. Okay, right. I'm just uploading this video now. Just a second. So now this video has been uploaded for us. Here you can set the status to published and in the description you can write whatever you want. So I'm going to write this is lesson 1 and after that I'll click on save. 1 second. We've entered everything and Now that's our testing. Let's just add a nice short video. So it's done. Just I will click. So it's loading. Once it's loaded, now in chapter 1, let's see what's there. We've got lesson 1 added, so I'll add another lecture again. So how do we view this lesson 1? You just click and there will be lesson 1. Even if we add another lesson, just click add lecture and the lesson will be added. You can also add a tune and after that go to browse files and just select any video you want. In the select option, choose publish. That's it. Now I'm giving lesson 2 and after that I'm saving it. Now after that's done, what's happening is it's saving. So that's done. So in our class, lesson 2 has come. Now if you want lesson 2 to unlock only after finishing this lesson 1, what you have to do is, see here there's a lock, right? Click that lock and then here what you have to do is in chapter 1. So you can't give it here because this is the first video. So go here, go to the lock and in chapter 1, only after lesson 1 is completed, this will be shown to us. So if we try to do this now, it's still locked. Only after it's completed, we can properly view it. That's why there are these two features, publish and lock. If you want to edit anything here, you can edit it. You can also delete the lecture if needed. This is how you add a lecture. Now if I want to add another chapter, I can do that too. Now about certificates. Here you can choose the certificate required for this course. When you select a certificate, you should have already created a smart certificate. I've already created a certificate and kept it ready. If you want to create a new one, just click on Create Widget. When you click that, it will ask you for the option to create. You can create from scratch or you can use a template. Now I'll cancel this and show you how to do it from scratch. Certificate. I'll select one and then click on Create. When I do that, a blank page will open up for me. Okay? Now what can we do there? Just click on Layout. Right now it's in Portrait. But if you want a landscape certificate, you can change it. You can switch it to landscape. Okay? So 1 second, I'll change it to portrait first. Confirm. Now we've got something like this in portrait mode. Now I need to write the header. For that, I'm just going to drag and drop this. Drag and drop company name, certificate of completion. So here, what can we do? But we can also edit this and fill in our custom values here. Okay? So if you click on customer, now the company name will come up. What can we do after copying this? We can paste it here instead. So, okay, now it's come twice. We only need it once. Okay, so once it's come, when we add first name, last name and all that, when our customer uses it and adds it, the student's name will automatically appear. As soon as they complete the course, their name will come to us directly. And what will we do? The certificate will be sent. Like this, if you want a batch in these 11 fields now. For matching, what do we need to do? Just drag and drop. If you drag and drop and keep it, the batch will come like this. If you want to change this, you can change it as well. Okay? So after that, if you want to add a signature, you can add a signature as well. You can also add text. For example, thank you for completing the course. Or if not, you can add their name or their image. These things can all be done and edited on the side. So now if you want to create a certificate, you have to create it. Here, I can use templates to do it. I clicked on From Templates. When you do that, it will appear like this. Just click on this, give create and it will open up for you. From there you can edit it, okay? If you want to edit something here like the signature or anything else, you can edit that. Once you're done, you need to publish the certificate as it is. After publishing, it will be available to you. So now what I'm going to do for this course is I'm going to the certificate section. We're going to add certificates, okay? In the certificate section, I'll just click select certificate, SmartIQ and add the certificate. So this certificate will get added. This is how it works. Now what is a course bundle? If you want to give say 23 courses together as a bundle, that's what we call a course bundle. So after I click create, what I do is I select bundle 1, then I change it to active. Next, if you want to upload an image or anything, you can do that as well. After doing this, you can upload it. So then when you click next, it will ask you to choose the course. Here there are two courses available, so you can click on both of these and do what you need to. After that, just click done. Only the courses that you have published will appear here. So in the bundle, we have two courses. You can see which ones they are by clicking through all this. So this is how you add courses to a bundle. If you want to add live classes to the bundle, you can go to live classes, integrate with Zoom, and create live classes as needed. Next, about comments. If a student leaves a comment, it will show up here. You can reply to those comments if you want. So now what I'm going to do is I'll go to lead management and give access to someone for a course that I've already created. Okay, let's go to contacts. Click on it. I'm clicking on this contact. After clicking, what do? I'll go to community sessions. There are no active sessions, so I'll click on community and give them their login details and give them an update. So come here and play my role. Bundles no data. These two courses are available in the country, so I'm going to give you grand access to this bundle as well. For this, since my role is there in the south, I am giving you grand access to this course. Okay, now I'll open another tab, enter the email ID and log in to check. 1 second. So now when I log in, it will show up like this for me. The course for which I was given access will be there. I've completed this. Once I finish, immediately I'll get a congratulations certificate for that. So now if I want to go and add a comment here, 1 second. Is there a write something in the community? I'll click on that, then the title comes up, course. Type that and post it. This is a nice course. Type that and post it. I'll click publish. If I click public, it'll get published. So after coming here, what do? Let's check the comments. What do we do with the comment we posted? Let's see. Inside all courses, what I'll do is refresh it. The comment hasn't shown up yet. Okay, now we've gone to the course, right? In that course, I click on learn more. After clicking learn more, you'll see the comment section below. There where you enter it. You have to give nice course here itself. If you post it here, it will show up because this is the post. So now we've posted it. Let's go to the comments and check if it's come through. So what I posted here has come through. For each course or lecture I'm giving, it's a nice course. So from here, the admin can come and reply. Thank you. And then what can we do? They can also give a reply here. So in the reply, we can see that we've given thank you here. So once we complete this course, what happens after that? We'll get a certificate. The business is running, okay, but there's no website or customer. So now after we complete that course, the certificate will become available to us. So let's wait and see. So as soon as we complete the course, if the download certificate option appears, we can just click on it and download the certificate. This is how it will look. Here you can see courses, live class, comment and certificate. Now if you go to settings, as I mentioned earlier about the video, after that there's a third party. So we need to integrate our API here and we also need to integrate Zoom here. For all this, our team will support you with the integration. Now if there are any events, we can create them. For example, I'll now create an event by clicking on add event and then the title comes up. Like a course 1. If I select live class here, they ask me to provide some link. So for example, I'll just give a random link like zoom.com, set the date and time, mention this is a demo class, and then I'll click submit. Please enter your details. That's what they're asking. You can just paste it. Star link. Here I'm going to paste the Google Meet link. After pasting, I'll click submit. Only a valid URL can be pasted here. So now it's done. Where will our students see this? They'll see it in the calendar. If we click on it, the event details will open and in the description it will say this is a demo class. So goes on the live class link. This link will go to them and at the set time they can view and check it out. Okay, so that's about events. Then leaderboard. If you look at the leaderboard, we can add some rules. If they log in daily, they'll get 110 points. If they create a post, 20 points. For 100% course completion, 300 points. So here the leaderboard will be shown. Right now we have 30 points. So for the students who have registered, it will show up like this. Since this is a demo account, how does it look to you? When you have a normal account, there will be a lot of variety shown in the leaderboards. So if you want to add a new rule, you can give some other rules like 50% course completion, link post, and so on. You can add these as new rules and save them. So in settings, what will be there in these settings? We can create our profile in the community profile section. You can enter the community name, a description about our company, then the logo, how it should appear on the login screen, banner, beacon, and all that. So click on advanced settings. It'll ask for meta title, description, header, body script, and so on. Then in these settings, we can choose which version of our community, classic or other, we want to use. Then module access, like the ones we give to students, we can set which ones to give. Shop, course, calendar. Now we've enabled everything. Whatever we enable here will show up there. So now what I'm going to do is I'll come here and disable habits. Once I disable it, if I refresh, I won't see this habits anymore, right? It's bought. So then let's try disabling something else here and see. I'll re-enable shop, then I'll click refresh. Okay, if you have access to that shop, you won't have it anymore, okay? Then now what does this set as default mean? It means that as soon as someone logs into the course, they'll be taken directly to whichever tab you set. For example, if you set it to the course tab, they'll land directly on that tab after logging in. They won't see any other tabs here. So as soon as they log in, they'll come straight to the course tab. That's how it works. So if you need this additional setting, you can check it out. In this preview, we've given our course. So how will that preview look? How will it be shown? Who will see it? We'll see here that it's for the students. So I believe this would have given you a clear understanding. So that's about it. In the community, you can create a course, manage students, conduct live classes, handle comments. Basically, you can take care of everything here. So that's all about what's inside SmartIQ. The community feature makes selling courses easy, but real success is in completion. In the SmartIQ community, a course isn't just content. There's engagement, leaderboards, certificates, everything is there. Students will learn, complete the course, and results will come automatically. Besides this, they also have a lot of pre-built workflows. You can create and send reminders to students like this. Book a Smart IQ demo right now. Transform your course into a powerful community. If you want to know more details, the contact information is given below in the description. If you contact there, our team will support you. So I'll meet you in the next video with another feature of Smart IQ. Thank you for watching.